It's WNN News at 6 o'clock.
Good evening, Calgary. Now, straight to your forecast on the lot. We go live to our weather specialist, Casey Tamland, with weather, wheels, and whatever else we let him do.
Thank you, Clay. This week's forecast is flexible down here in Lease Land. We've detected an outbreak of options. Did you know that you could exit your lease early? At Woodridge Ford Lincoln, we can help. Even if your lease isn't finished, even if it didn't start with us, and even if you drive a different brand than Ford. Leasing is like the weather. It changes. Sometimes it's sunny, and sometimes you want a bigger truck. This is my lease chart. It's mostly pictures, but we have smart people, very smart. I call them lease scientists. And whether you're upgrading or switching brands, we're here to help in any way we can. Any brand, any lease, anytime.
Well, Calgary, you heard it here first. Early lease exits, brand switching. It's all possible. If you have questions, Casey has the charts and our team has the answers. Stay informed, stay flexible, stay classy, and drive Ford. I'm Clay Burgundy.